Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a perm rod set tutorial, and it's been, actually I was about to say it's been a while since I've done one, but I don't think I've ever done one over here on YouTube. I have one over on my Instagram as an Instagram Reels, but I have never done one over here. Look at that. So today is the first perm rod tutorial on my channel, and I finally figured out how to do it. It took me a little minute to learn how to do this style, but I know it. I got it down packed. So if you guys would like to learn how to get this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, I literally been sitting here for 15 minutes. It takes me so long to do a perm rod set, but I'm gonna time myself this time and see how long it really takes me, but it always feels like an eternity. I'm gonna be using all the perm rods in here. I have two different colors, but not on purpose. I was trying to get the same size as this one, but this is what I already had. All they had was this, so what I do is I alternate them so that you don't really notice that there's two different sizes, but they're very similar in size, as you can see. So when I do a perm rod set, and I think when most people do perm rod sets, but I don't know, don't quote me on this, they use a mousse as opposed to like a cream, but you can use a cream. Now that I think about it, I think I have seen a few people use creams, but I think mousse is a little bit better for me just because it really helps to set the style. But the mousse that I'm going to be using is the Nairobi Wrap-It Shine, but basically a mousse. And the only reason why I'm using this is because my hairstylist used this. I don't know if she uses it for rod sets, but I saw it on her like stand area and I was like, if she uses it, maybe I'll like it. But what I normally use is the Dew Mousse Def texture foam. This is what I normally use, and the style literally only lasts a day, maybe two, and I don't necessarily like that. So I'm wondering if by using a different mousse that the style will last a bit longer. So I'm trying it with this mousse today. This is like a test out in this video, and I was trying to figure out if I'm going to section off my hair, but I don't think I am. I think I'm just going to pick up sections of hair. I don't want parts. I just want it to be kind of like flowy or whatever. For a perm rod set, you have to take like super small sections. That's why it takes so freaking long, but the results are beautiful. So I'm gonna take this size, which is about half the size that I normally take for like a twist out. Take some mousse, about 3 pumps, work it together, and then work it on the section. Ooh, that's giving definition. Can y'all see that? Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Maybe I need to use this for a twist out. And then I'm gonna take a fine tooth comb, or much finer than this side. It's not necessarily super fine tooth, but I'm going to take that and detangle each section and then wrap it around the perm rod. And I like to really lay down the ends. And you wanna work the curl up the perm rod so that the curl droops as opposed to really stuck to your head. So I done made it all the way to the top of my head. I decided to do most of it off camera because you guys couldn't see what I was doing back here. So I'm like, let me just wait till I get to the top. But the key to a good perm rod set is using enough product and making sure you're using the right product and making sure that your sections are really small or small enough to fit the perm rod. Because when I've done it in the past and they've been fails, is because I didn't use enough product and I didn't use small enough sections. Those are the main problems that I was having. Then you just want to make sure that each section is detangled really well. And like I said, I use a small comb, and then I wrap the ends around the perm rod like so, and then really tightly work my way up the perm rod so that the curl goes down as opposed to being all tight. So working my way up it, making sure that the hair is flat as opposed to just rolling it up on itself to where it's just at the top of the perm rod. You want to make sure that it goes the length of the perm rod so that your curls come out really nicely. I'm so tired. I feel like I can hear it in my voice. But I'm excited. I'm almost done. So far I've been doing this for an hour and 10 minutes, and we're on our last one. So hour and 10 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna break this up into two. I don't know why. because that was kind of small enough, but just to make sure. Perm rod set is pretty easy as long as you follow those tips that I'm saying, using enough products and using small enough sections, you can get it. The only problem with it is how long it takes. So let me know if you guys can get your perm rod sets to last a super long time. Let me know what products you're using or how you're getting it to last long, because I would love to have this hairstyle last at least, like, I don't know, a week. Like, give me a week, but I know I ain't gonna be able to get that. All right, so we just finished and I'm so excited. So I am gonna let this hairstyle air dry overnight and maybe into tomorrow too. I'll let you guys know how long I keep it in these rollers so you guys can kind of know. This is a hairstyle I would probably do more so on the weekend, or like sit under a dryer or something like that. On the weekend if I'm gonna let it air dry, but I could do it during the week if I sit under the dryer to be ready for the next day. But I am going to leave this on to dry overnight and then I'll come back with you guys. So it is the next morning and I'm excited because I get to see the results from my perm rod set. Let's take down the first one. Hopefully it's dry. It's 9:34 a.m. and I did this last night at around 8. Well, I finished at around 8. Ooh. Man, I wish honestly my perm rod sets came out longer. I'd be feeling like my hair is so short when I do perm rod sets, but it's so cute. Like, look at that curl. Both of those, so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna just take all of these down and then I'm gonna fluff it out just a little bit. And I'm gonna show you guys how I actually fluff it out, because I do it a bit differently than like my twist outs and stuff. Okay, so now that I've taken them all down and I look like somebody's grandma, not in a bad way. I mean, I kind of said it in a bad way, but you know what I mean. We're going to fluff it out, make it look bigger and more modern. And I'm gonna use the Keracare curling wax. It gives firmer curl hold for longer style retention. Also help prevent reversion due to humidity. So it's really for if you're curling your hair with a curling iron, but I'm gonna use it to fluff out the curls. So I'm gonna take a bit of the curling wax and rub it in between my fingers on both hands. And then I'm gonna take each curl and roll it out. And that's gonna make it bigger. And you can already see the difference, like how much better it looks. So now that I have taken it down completely or mostly, I'm gonna rough it up because that is what I always do. So I have a little bit of the wax still on my fingers and I'm gonna just kind of lift at the roots and shake it around, shake it about. I'm not gonna use a pick because I don't feel like getting up. That's really the reason. I might have to get up to get that pick if I'm being honest, but I love it. Came out so flipping good. So I gotta run and go somewhere, but when I get back we'll do the outro, but it'll be like 0.5 seconds for you guys, but it'll probably be in like 3 hours for me. So yeah, that's the end of this hairstyle. And this is the completed hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what kind of products you use for your perm rod sets down in the comments. I would love to know and I would love to try some of them out. But yeah, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.